What's up everybody, Ilia is right here and welcome everyone to this channel. If you are interested in making money in cryptocurrency, if you are interested in what cryptocurrency is, some fundamentals, some technology, and if you want to make money with this and get ridiculously rich, please go ahead, subscribe and like before, because the more people on this channel, the more giveaways. That means even if you're selling low, you still have a chance to get some wallets for free by just watching my videos, paying attention, learning about cryptocurrency and taking my wallets first. Today we are going to talk about explosive potential in coins, and I've heard a lot of famous bloggers are just talking about cryptocurrency and top 10 coins and expecting X100 from there. It's like $100 Cardano, even if they implement smart contracts finally. It's just X100. Guys, it won't be in just 1 week. It's not 10 million market cap, where it's easy to boost it till 1 billion and that's it, X100 is done. This is already a huge project with a lot of holders and people will be ready to sell and again sell. And the coins that I'm going to talk are barely changing in compare with this number. So if you like changing this number, please subscribe like I'm always asking. And of course in this video we will see something special, some wallets. And in the next video, guys, is going to be a lot better giveaway because 500 is 500, you know. And I want to congratulate Mark Huzi for winning these stellar lumens. And if you're watching this video now, please check your wallet, because in a previous video, if you haven't seen that video, please go ahead there and find that your wallet is having 51 stellar lumens. Congratulations, my friend. And by the way, guys, thank you very much for asking me questions. And I'm not some paid Telegram group. I'm actually paying you for learning about cryptocurrency. Isn't it cool? And when I was in university learning about economics, I spent a lot of money and nobody taught me about GAN-FAN. If I was applying those things for Bitcoin from the very beginning and for a lot of altcoins, I would be just like retired. That's it. I taught myself through a lot of informational resources and from YouTube. And I'm sharing this experience with you guys and I'm giving you money. So easy as it is. More people, more money. You know what I'm asking for. And let's begin. So first things first, why some coins are not flying even though they have huge potential? For example, let's take Polkadot. Yeah, it's already on the top 10, but it still has this potential for holders, for potential investors. Why? Because it's never been added to something really safe. When you're buying some coins, you don't want to hold on exchanges. I mean, almost everyone is holding on exchanges and I am even holding something, but I'm ready to lose it. And I'm ready to not be compensated if I lose something. It can be big amount and exchange will tell, we're only secure like $1 million and that's it. And right now, Polkadot has been added to Ledger Nano. I'm using Ledger Nano to store my cryptocurrency and it's really neat and it's like the safest place where I can put my cryptocurrency and sleep well. And also I'm using Trezor, and if you're interested in that, I'll just put in the description below and you will see this link. You can just check it out and if you like it, just buy it and put your cryptocurrency. Stay safe and save your crypto. And so when major coin like that is being added to Ledger, it's also good a signal to buy, because right now finally you can put your cryptocurrency in some place and store it and you won't lose it. Like you can do this with exchange. And also Polkadot is an amazing project which has a lot of strong developers and already has a lot of applications built on it and will continue to grow. Some people asking, what is the value of Ethereum? Why is it going up? Why is it just like so huge? Right now it's not huge. Right now NFTs are going crazy and you can see all latest news everywhere. Like people are selling this gift for $6.6 million, which I just saved on my computer and I'm happy. And Jack Dorsey right now, creator of Twitter, is just selling as an NFT first Twitter post. Isn't it crazy? I think it is, but world is going crazy. And that's why I answered in my previous video that Flow has huge potential, because NFTs are growing and it is going to be one of the biggest platforms to communicate with NFTs, non-fungible tokens, this art. And by the way, don't forget to smash like button if you are holding BNT. Yes, remember I told you when it was 4? Now it's 8 something. And it's already pretty good result when entire year you see everything is going down and you're getting only X10, X100 on some positions, but not on all of them. And specifically right now, we're just going to multiply our BNT. And the strategy is very simple. You remember those 11 coins that I mentioned, and I created this list and I posted in previous videos. And right now we're going to wait for some multipliers in some coins. When it goes high, when it jumps, we're selling there and we're reinvesting in something that hasn't been pumped or just dumped. For example, I'm waiting for CELR to go below 50 and I will re-enter some positions. Of course, I'm holding in the long term for longer, but I was trading a little bit, and because you see those stupid things happening in CELR, like 30% from nothing. Of course, I'll sell something if I got something for 30 and I can sell it for 60 and I can re-enter it for 45. But those coins in CELR, what I got for 80 and higher, of course, I haven't touched it. And right now, some psychology behind Bitcoin. Everyone who is buying early, they're going to get rich. I remember one post by Vitalik Buterin, who is founder of Ethereum, in 2012, and he posted anniversary of the Great Bubble 2011. Great Bubble, when it was 32 bucks and dumped to 10 cents. And you know, I remember this every 2 years. $10, then goes to $1 and everyone's bubble. It goes to 100, then it dumps, again it's a bubble. Then it goes to 1300, dumps, it's a bubble. Then it goes to 20k, then it dumps, bubble. 50k, probably people are waiting for a dump. I'm waiting for some more price surge, like 75 to 150k. Then it'll go lower, then people will be complaining, saying that Bitcoin is bubble and life doesn't make sense anymore, and then it'll go again higher to 500,000, and then in another cycle it'll go again lower and again bubble. We already know what it is. And like I said, those who are buying Bitcoin first, they're the winners. And for example, some people and companies and big investors, they're still scared and have some doubts about Bitcoin and they're not sure in this future. And that's why they're buying some stocks of companies who are buying Bitcoin. And for example, Chinese beauty app Meitu just added $40 million worth of Ethereum and Bitcoin in their investments, and that's why their price kind of surged. In a normal stock market, 10% or 20% names surge. Okay, they don't know anything about cryptocurrency. And this is how it works. So for example, those guys were adding money at 47k to 50k, and they will double it in the short term for Bitcoin, and they will really make this extend in Ethereum. Yes, you're still wondering why I'm thinking this way, because Ethereum didn't move against Bitcoin at all. That's why. And when Bitcoin is going to be kind of quiet and probably even going a little bit lower, imagine if you're taking $1 billion from Bitcoin in like a 1 week and nobody will notice it. And if you put this $1 billion in some cryptocurrency with 10 million market cap, what is going to be? It won't be just $1 billion market cap or 1 billion, 10 millions. It can surge up to $10 billion. And some of those coins can be ours. Just don't sell it when it has great technology and just goes 30% up. BNT right now is moving up, right? And if it goes to like $15, probably we should take a look at the graphs. If it's super vertical, probably you should move some of those investments out and reinvest in something really deep. For example, I was buying HEGIC at 50 cents. I was buying it at 40 cents. But the thing is, majority of that I actually acquired on these levels. Yes, I'm adding it at 30, at 28, 27, now it's 24 cents. I'm talking about HEGIC against USD. But the thing is, look at eTrade platform, the platform of trading stocks. And for example, I'm registered there and I was getting stocks all the time from eTrade. What it is, it's a pain in the ass, guys, really. For example, I supposed to get stocks 20th of February. I got them 22nd of February. I sold this amount without taxes. Okay, perfect, huge amount, nice, I'm happy. It's going to HEGIC or MTA. What was in fact? I need to wait for 3 days until they're cleared. Then I was able to sell it, and I needed to wait for 3 days, and I was already super tired of that. And then I needed to transfer to my bank account, and I wasn't able to transfer for first 2 days. Guys, isn't it stupid? And then I finally was able in 2 more days, like I spent 10 days to transfer money. When you're watching my video and trying to get the Stellar Lumens wallet as soon as possible, it takes 4 seconds at maximum. That's it, sometimes even faster. This is how money should be transferred, not like I'm selling and I'm waiting. You just use any cryptocurrency exchange and that's it. And recently on Quora, I got a question about cryptocurrency, why people are not using credit cards. And I actually know some of them who bought Bitcoin for 20k on a credit card and they were spending all their extra money for just covering those debts. If they were buying Bitcoin just on the way down all these 3 years, spending some money, just little amounts, they could be sitting right now on 6 digits. But what they have now, 5 digits debt. not smart. And why I started to talk about crypto lending. No guys, I'm not suggesting you to borrow money and invest in cryptocurrency. Probably if you were doing that, you could be just crazy millionaire. But just don't do this. Usually money that you owe, you don't want to lose them. And 88 MPH is amazing crypto lending platform. So you know where I'm going to, right? And right now it's just like on 50% off from its all-time high, and it just hasn't lost anything in compared with other coins that were going down. And also there was a nice question about why I am not posting my video in Odyssey. It's like a YouTube, it's a sharing platform where I can get paid in LBRY tokens, coins. And to me personally, with all those limitations that we are facing right now, for example, always Facebook is getting blamed, or WhatsApp is getting hacked or blamed also. Actually, some bloggers, they just don't like YouTube somehow because they're not getting some money, they're not getting anything, or I don't know, they're getting blocked. And Odyssey is something that is decentralized and is being controlled by community. So it's like blogger's dream. But the thing is, it doesn't have a lot of viewers, but they have possibility to get tipped. If I put some effort in making video and I just don't want to waste time and just put in something free, I just can put there and sell it for 100 LBRY credits. That's like 100 is about $18. And it was dipping for a long time and finally it bottomed and started this positive move. Probably it's a good opportunity to buy. I was holder of this coin for quite a while and I exited on the previous bull run, but it's a good opportunity to probably to re-enter, so do your own research. I'm not holding that, but this is something worth of attention. And guys, please share your thoughts, share your coins, please let me know in the description below. And in my additional video, my answers to significant subscribers, to you, my friends, I will try to cover all your questions and all your coins. And please, don't forget to like this video. Because on 500 subscribers, we're going to make some celebration thing and we're going to be on the way to first 1,000. And after that, I will be able to put some monetization to you, my friends. And for some of you, my friends, it is going to be even life-changing, because for some people in some countries, $20 is a really big deal. And I want to solve some of your problems. And thank you very much.